Hello students, I am back with your OC chapter 3 planning. Now in the third chapter we had already learned the process of planning, the types of planning and also the limitations of planning. In the types of planning we had seen up to 3 plans, up to tactical plan. Now the fourth one, that is operational plan. See, the word operation itself suggests that when you want to अचीव सम स्पेसिफिक रिजल्ट, किसी चीज़ का ऑपरेशन करना है, कोई प्लान हमने बनाया है एंड वी वांट टू अचीव इट. सो ऑपरेशन प्लान्स आर यूजुअली स्पेसिफिक रिजल्ट एक्सपेक्टेड प्लान्स and generally these plans are for short duration. It may be of 1 year or less than 1 year. Now you would say कि ये तो फिर tactical plan जैसा ही हुआ. तो yes, it is almost like tactical plan because tactical plan is also of 1 or less than 1 year and it is short term plan. And usually short term objectives को achieve करने के लिए we make tactical plan. Operation plan is the difference of operational and tactical plan is that only कि when you want to achieve a specific result, कुछ specifically ऐसा ही हमें करना है तो कौन सा plan बनाएंगे, that is what operational plan is. But usually operational plan can be made only after discussing with the concerned employees, and usually these kind of plans are made for routine work. Okay. Then the fifth one is single use plan. Now the word itself suggests that you will use it for one time and you will throw it. Okay. So a usual plan is prepared for achievement of special objectives. One time plan is applied to those activities which do not reoccur. वापस जो एक्टिविटी नहीं होने वाली है. कैसी एक्टिविटी? सपोज कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ हाउस हम एक बार बनाते हैं. शिप मेकिंग, तो शिप मेकिंग इतना बड़ा होता है तो इट इज़ मेड ओनली वन टाइम. प्रिंटिंग, suppose you are opening a shop and you are printing a pamphlet to publishing the items which you are keeping. So the printing process, it is made only one time while you are opening your new shop. So these are only one time plan which is used only for one time. Then sixth one is contingency plan. Contingency plan matlab when you every time when you change the plan, you keep on changing the plan according to the external situation, because political, economic and social factors of business are uncertain. बाहर क्या political condition है, economical condition क्या है. So seeing those factors, when you keep on changing the plan according to the situation, it is called contingency plan. So if the changes are to be made in original plan and a new plan is made, it is called contingency plan. So these were the types of planning. Then elements of planning. Now when you plan out something, you need your brain or thinking capability more and more. So it's an intellectual process. Plan बनाने के time, all the time you have to use your brain because you are forecasting the future. So there are many factors, many elements which you have to take into consideration. Among them, the first is objective. Objective, aim, we know okay, when you are opening a business, you have some objectives or aims in your mind. So the very purpose of any business is to decide the objectives and fulfill it. Moreover, it should be practical. Over ambitious नहीं, जितना capital है उसके हिसाब से ही अपने objectives होने चाहिए. Then the second one is strategy. अभी strategy मतलब any plan. In easy words, strategy is plan. So plans which used for the accomplishment of pre-decided objectives of planning is known as strategy. Suppose strategy, I told you once कि when you are playing cricket and your strategy is कि sometimes when the last overs are running, you keep the fielders in near the boundary. So this is the strategy. So strategy usually should be confidential बताना नहीं है किसी को. एंड एन आइडियल स्ट्रेटजी गिव्स गारंटी ऑफ अ सक्सेस ऑफ बिजनेस. अगर अच्छे से स्ट्रेटजी प्लान करना आती है तो योर सक्सेस लाइज इन द स्किल ऑफ मेकिंग स्ट्रेटजी. देन इज पॉलिसी. Decisions and strategy are decided by management to accomplishment of objectives. It is known as policy. अभी जितनी भी strategy और decisions हम decide करते हैं उसको policy बोलते हैं. हम बोलते हैं ना कि ये business का policy क्या है, तो they always give their goods on credit. क्रेडिट पे गुड्स देना ये बिजनेस की पॉलिसी है, उधार पे देती है, तो वो उनका एक कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट बन गया, वो उसका स्टैंडर्ड बन गया है कि उधार देना. तो ये है पॉलिसी. कोई डिसीजंस और स्ट्रेटजी जो हम कंपनी के लिए यूज़ करते हैं तो ये होता है पॉलिसी. देन मेथड्स तो समझ में आता है, उसकी मेथड कैसी है, वो कैसी प्रोसीजर फॉलो करती है. तो मेथड is an arrangement for carrying out business programs. जैसे हमने strategy बोला कि it says the arrangement of how to face the competition. Policy gives information कि how you will fulfill your objectives, while method refers to the best way of accomplishment of predetermined objectives. Method क्या बताती है हमें कि हमारा बेस्ट वे क्या है जिससे हम ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को अचीव कर सकें. उससे भी सक्सेस का बहुत बड़ा चांसेस है. व्हेन यू फॉलो अ प्रॉपर मेथड तो यू कैन बी सक्सीड इन योर बिजनेस. देन कम्स रूल्स. Rules are necessary to accomplish the functions of planning. Rules decides the procedure and gives the clear understanding. It ensures discipline among the employees. अब discipline को आपसे ज़्यादा और कौन जान सकता है अच्छे से. When you have rules, you will have a proper discipline among the employees. Rules make accomplishment of objectives and supervision very easy. For example, use of mobile during working hours is prohibited. तो ये एक रूल है कोई कंपनी का. No smoking at workplace. तो प्लानिंग में रूल्स इज ऑल्सो अन नेसेसरी एलिमेंट. देन कम्स बजट. हम घर का भी बजट बनाते हैं ना. when a month is going to start, ask your parents once. They would have made a budget of monthly or quarterly or of a full year, so that they will have a clear idea ki how much money has to be used in what way. So budget is used as a tool of control for the accomplishment of business objectives. Here you will have different types of budget. Expenditure budget, sales budget, production budget, cash budget, cost budget. क्यों हम बजट करते हैं? बिकॉज इट विल कीप कंट्रोल. हमने जितना फिक्स किया है उससे ज़्यादा पैसे यूज़ नहीं हो जाए, ये बजट देखेगा. एंड लास्टली कम्स प्रोग्राम. तो प्रोग्राम इज़ अ सीक्वेंस ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ टू बी अंडरटेकन बाय अ बिजनेस यूनिट. सीक्वेंस, लाइन वाइज एक्टिविटीज़ जो हमने डिसाइड की है वैसे प्लान आउट करना, वैसे परफॉर्म करना. If the work is done according to program, problems do not arise in accomplishment of objectives. So the function of management is not only to see that the work carried out according to program, but also to compare it with standards. अब स्टैंडर्ड से तुम लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा. कोई भी स्ट्रेटजी हमने जो यूज़ की होती है वो हमारा फिर स्टैंडर्ड हो जाता है. जो पॉलिसी, मेथड और स्ट्रेटजी ये तीनों मिला के वी मेक अ स्टैंडर्ड कि ये स्टैंडर्ड है हमारा, हम ऐसे काम करते हैं. तो प्रोग्राम से हमें पता चलेगा कि क्या हमने हमारा जो फिक्स स्टैंडर्ड था उस हिसाब से हमने काम किया. Along with this, to take corrective steps if any deviation is found. Deviation means if we have done something different from the original plan, original standard, so you will come to know कि this is the fault which had occurred and we need to change it, and we have to take the corrective step for it. So here your planning the chapter gets over with the elements of plan, with the types of planning, with the process of planning, limitations and characteristics of planning. So we will meet in the next week with lesson number 4. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.